everybody, it's me, Kenyatta. Yes, I am here with no weave or wig. This is my hair now after 2 months. I did the big chop October 19th. And I'm also trying out a new camera, so I need to, figure out the lighting and everything. So if it's too dark or too light, I do apologize ahead of time, but I'll get it together. But this video right quick is just to show you my hair now after 2 months, almost 3 months. And here is all my hair in this baggie. And I have big chop October 19, 2011 on here. So yes, today was my first time ever wearing my hair out in public like this, because I'm always putting on a wig or weave because I felt kind of insecure about it, even though I'm happy that I did it because I want to go natural. I got tired of the perm and breaking my hair out and all that good stuff, or bad stuff shall I say. But today was my first time wearing it like this to work, and I was nervous at first, but as the day went, I'm more confident now. So I just can't wait till it grow a little longer though, of course, because I'm not used to a short look on me. So I may look totally different, but this is my chop, or my hair now. You turn around. And can someone tell me what type of hair do I have? The type is what, 3C, 4A. I don't understand all this stuff, but can you tell what type it is? I hope my camera is focusing, but I don't know. But this is my hair, so I hope you all can see it. I have a mirror behind the camera so I can see what you all are seeing, but yeah, again, this is my hair after 2 months, going on 3 months, because I did the big chop October 19th, and my hair is like a little bit past my shoulder, so yeah. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.